Manero is known for being the ultimate privacy coin in cryptocurrency, but what does that really mean? From this video, you will understand how privacy works in the cryptocurrency world. If you are or would like to be a crypto investor, this is important information. I will explain: how does Manero compare to other crypto coins like Bitcoin? How does Manero privacy work? In fact, isn't all cryptocurrency anonymous? And much more, including the crazy name behind the team. But to start, what is Manero? Manero was founded in 2014 and is known for being the ultimate privacy coin in cryptocurrency. It is designed to be a peer-to-peer digital currency. To explain Manero in basic terms, if you go to a coffee shop and buy a coffee paying with your bank card, there is a paper trail to link you back to that coffee shop at that time. However, if you pay with cash, there is little to no evidence that you were there, and then if they don't declare the cash, there is little to no evidence that a coffee was even bought. This is in basic terms the foundation of what Manero cryptocurrency is based on. So how does this compare to other crypto coins like Bitcoin? Manero was built on CryptoNote protocol and yet has completely different technology to Bitcoin. More on this to come. For example, as one sending cryptocurrency to a merchant, once the funds have been received, they can see the equivalent of your bank statement. Details like where you spend your cryptocurrency, who transacts with you, how often you use your wallet, are suddenly visible to all that you interact with. For those concerned with cybersecurity and those using the dark web, this is just not a convenient feature. So how does Manero privacy work? Introducing Manero's ring-confident transactions. Ring CT for short mixes decoy addresses to scramble the ability to identify what came from where. This supports the senders of Manero coin to maintain their privacy. Now for the merchants. Manero has what is called stealth addresses. Stealth addresses are a one-time address that cannot be linked to anyone sharing Manero addresses. This gives Manero an untraceable blockchain. So isn't all cryptocurrency anonymous and private? Technically no. Although your personal details are not on your wallet, everything else can be seen, and that makes it easier to link you to the address. The moment you give your wallet's address to someone and your name, your wallet can then be linked to you. This is what Manero is designed to avoid. There is no access to an outsider with your address seeing your balance, transactions, or any other recognizable features. With Manero's one-time public addresses, you get a fresh address for every transaction, making it completely fungible. So how do I start with Manero? Once you have obtained a complimentary wallet for your Manero, you create three things: a private view key to signal incoming payments to your account, a private send key to make payments, public addresses to receive transactions. When you're using Manero, unlike Zcash, which has the option to be private or not, all transactions on Manero are private. So who is behind Manero? While David Latapie is the head of Manero these days, I do feel it's safe to say even the Manero team themselves like their privacy. So core Manero team: Ricardo, Fluffy Pony Spagni, Luigi 1111, Noodle Doodle, Smooth, Taco Time, Francesco Antic Mind Cabanes, and Otter. So what are the other features of Manero? Untraceable, adaptive parameters, unlinkable transactions, and blockchain resistant. So would you invest in Manero?